and it was nice to see the sun out today and over this weekend. So let's see if it's going to last for us. We're going to check in with Wendy Ross with the First Alert weather forecast.
It's just so nice to be able to have these evenings where you can get outside and just take a walk, take a stroll around with beautiful weather. And that certainly is what we're getting right now. As we take a look outside, you can see this is overlooking Sarasota Bay, and it's just gorgeous out there with just a few puffy clouds off in the distance and no rain. We're not looking at showers for our area at this point. And because of the lack of rain, because of the lack of cloud cover, we are looking at very hot temperatures for today. We got up to a high of 87 degrees after an overnight low of 79, and the current heat index right now is showing that we still have that feels like temperature. That's the heat and the humidity together, bringing us that feels like temperature of readings well over 100 degrees in some parts of the state. And for us, it feels as though those temperature readings are close to 100, especially well over the interior part of our viewing area. Along the coastline, it's not quite so bad, but as we take a look across for actual temperatures, we're still seeing some 90s in places like Tallahassee and over in Jacksonville. And where you are seeing those cooler readings in the 70s, that's where some rain is taking place across parts of Gainesville and down around Orlando as well. But for us right here, we are looking at temperatures in the 80s, a little bit cooler at the beaches, much warmer in the interior sections, especially east of I-75, Sebring and Lake Placid in the 90s. And that's at this hour. And what's going on right now when we take a look at our water vapor imagery is one thing that I wanted to show you is that we are looking at that ribbon of drier air that's situated right here across our area. And that is what has helped to inhibit those showers from forming for us over the past couple of days. We do have a cold front across the southeastern part of the country, and that frontal system is eventually going to be making its way down across the state of Florida, and it should be through the central part of the state by Monday night and stalling out on Tuesday across south and central Florida. So this frontal system is going to help to set up some showers for us. We are going to see the rains over the northern part of the state, mostly over the central sections of Florida, and then we'll see that ribbon of wet weather right across that cold front boundary affecting us, and that's going to take place on Tuesday. So Monday night and Tuesday, we have the rain back in our forecast. And right now, we're not seeing anything much. We've got a few showers over to the north of us and then some cloudy weather right around the Tampa Bay region. Earlier today, we did have some spotty rains that did come on through, but they were through so quickly and they were not really very measurable as they came on in. And again, east of I-75 is where we saw the showers. So our chances for rain throughout the overnight time period or throughout the nighttime period is going to be almost at zero, and then we are looking for maybe a 10 to 20% chance of rain for the overnight time period. And as far as the tropics are concerned, it's nice and quiet. We are getting a little bit of cloud cover right here around the Yucatan Peninsula, but off the coast of Africa, we're just seeing some clouds that have lined up, but nothing that is developing at this point. And if you're heading off to the beach tomorrow, winds will be out of the west at 10 to 15 knots, seas 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop out on the bay and inland waters. And we are going to be looking at our 7-day forecast showing that there's just a 20% chance of rain on Monday, but then we up those chances on Tuesday as that cold front comes in, and we keep rain in our forecast all the way through next weekend with 40 to 50% chances of rain in the forecast. Temperatures are going to be on the hot side once again. Erica?